Hello guys, my name is Kings Amalego and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a branded custom domain that you can use to shorten your website URL and make it look more professional. So guys, stay tuned. To create a branded short domain, the first thing you may want to do is to purchase the domain name you want to use. In this case, I purchased the domain name. The domain name I purchased was your website name .link, and here is it, your website name .link. I use Namecheap to purchase it. Then after you have purchased the domain name, your desired domain name, the next step is to visit the website where you're going to be hosting the branded short domain. In this case, I'm going to use Rebrandly. So let's visit Rebrandly. You go to Rebrandly and click on the sign up button, and then when you're done signing up, okay, let's sign up first for a brand new account. So once you are done signing up, here's what next you need to do to set up your custom branded domain. Now go to setup and click on setup, and I'll click on add a branded domain. Just click on it. If you don't have domain, you can decide to register a new domain with them, and if you already registered a new domain somewhere else with another registrar, then you can simply connect the domain. And here is how to connect the domain. Click on connect a domain. Now type in the domain name here. So the domain name we're going to use is your website name .link, and I have to copy it now and paste it there. Paste the domain, click on next, select yes, this is a spare domain, and then click next. Action is required. Now the next step is for you to point this to your domain name. You have to point this to your domain or your address. You basically need to set up an area code. So what we need to do now is to connect the IP to our domain name for it to function properly. So let's do this. Copy the IP and then log on to your domain account. If you are using Namecheap like me, then click on add new records. When you click on add new records, select area codes. When you come here, you can choose to add at. Then you input the IP address and click on save changes. We still have another area code to add, although it's not necessary, it's not compulsory, but we will still add it. Copy it, then you go to area codes, come here, and this one we're going to use World Wide Web, www. You come here, you paste the IP address again, and then click save. Then you go back again, and when you go back, the next thing to do is click on view my domains. View my domains. It seems to be still under setup. Okay, few minutes later, the domain got approved and is now live and active. As you can see, the green button indicates that it is now active and ready to be used. And you also receive a congratulatory message from Rebrandly, and here is it. Congratulations, your website name.link domain is now verified and ready to be used. This happened in the space of just 10 minutes. So congratulations, you can now start to use your domain name. So now I will show you how to use your new branded short domain. Follow me. Okay, to start using your short branded domain name, click on the home button, the rebrand line home button. It's now time for us to shorten a link. Here is where you're going to be pasting the link you wish to shorten. And please, it's important to note that you can shorten any link you want. You can shorten any link at all. It's not necessarily going to be your website. Whatever link you feel you want to shorten, you can shorten it. The best part is it is private to you. You are the only one going to be using it, not in the public space. So when you shorten the link, you can use it to share it on social media, share it with friends, share it with your followers, your fans, share it anywhere and to whom you want to share it with. So enough talks, let's get into action. So let's shorten our first domain. I'll use Wikipedia for example. I'll shorten Wikipedia for example. Wikipedia.org. So okay, I'm going to be shortening this featured article. It says Dragon, the Bruce Lee story. So I'll shorten this at this link now. You paste it on the destination URL and you can change the slash tag. You can change the slash tag to whatever thing you want. Here I'm simply going to change it to the Bruce Lee story. When you're done, you click on create link. Your link is now live. Link rebranded, as you can see from the notification. Now copy the link. You can also visit it from here if you wish. Now that I copied the link, time to visit it. Time to visit the link. You paste the link here. You paste the link and then click enter button. Yeah, it's redirected, and there you go. Congratulations, you just created a branded short domain, absolutely free of charge. You don't need to pay nothing. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.